Got fish. Fish on. Doesn't feel big, but it's a fish. Ah, come on. Angry Bird's in. Ooh, what is that? It's a perch. A very greedy perch. Let's not lose this one now. Ah, look at that. Ah. Got a perch. So yeah, the aim of the game today was to catch perch. And this is my first perch caught on a lure, which is great. And I used the Angry Bird red lure. So we won't have him out for too long. We'll take a quick photo and then we'll get him back in. So yeah, very, very good. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so my determination paid off. Challenge for my day was to catch a perch, either spinning or on soft baits or on a lure. And after a very long, hard day, I managed to catch a perch. So I'm going to show you the perch quickly, show you the lure that I caught him on, and we'll get him back in, and then we'll try for the bigger ones. There we go. Absolutely stunning, fin perfect. Not a massive one, but my first perch on a lure, which is the result for me. So the lure I used to catch him on was the little red Angry Bird one. So that's the lure. I just thought for a bit of fun I'll try the red one, and result, I managed to catch this perch. So let's get him back in and go for the bigger ones. Absolutely stunning.